Hello, everybody. I'm Mario, and I'm going to talk to you about this amazing project. In 2025, we have worked the University of Valladolid and BME together to design an algorithm or to build a model to automatically detect fake voice sources. I mean, we tried to identify if one speech or one utterance, one audio was coming from a real human being or if the audio was coming from a synthesizer. Nowadays, the artificial intelligence is used in a lot of areas, but not only in the good side. I mean, in the bad side, attackers they are using a lot of algorithms to clone voices and to synthesize voices to have unauthorized access to security systems. I mean, to access to banks, authentication systems, transaction systems, control systems. To do that, we have decided to use artificial intelligence as a tool to perform this fake voice detection. In order to train a model, we have decided to collect data from different languages. We have collect data from English, from Spanish, and from Hungarian languages. We have collect data from different countries using a web tool. As you can see, the most difficult part of this data collection was try to collect the same amount of data from the three select languages. For Hungarian was a little challenging, so we have decided to flag the Hungarian languages as a underrepresented language for this study. In order to have a high performance and confident model, we have decided to use two approaches of algorithms. The first one was a phase-aware convolutional neural network. This kind of algorithms is composed by complex value layers that extract information from the signals in the phase domain. The another algorithm that we have decided to use was a transformer. We have used a wow to bake model, a pre-trained model, because the amount of data that we have collected in an early stage was not enough to train a model from scratch. We have obtained very interesting conclusion of our project, of our study. We have observed that the transformer-based model outperformed for the languages with high amount of data, but for the unrepresented language included in our study, the complex value algorithms perform better compared with another one. Probably this is a very important conclusion. Science all the time, some research thinks that we can use a model as an universal algorithm or as an universal base of a detection or classifier model. But in our studies, we have demonstrated that if we blend a specific model for each source in, in our study, in our three language transversal study, we can obtain better performance if we use only one algorithm as a channel in the all the process that we are trying to design in these kind of applications. As a main conclusion, so is that depending of the application, you need to design a specific algorithm, or you can blend with a general purpose model in order to extract the information needed to reach the threshold of the metrics that you are looking for one specific area. In this case, security, uh, risk, uh, or Facebook detection. Thank you for your attention.